Yes.
So
yes.
I've witnessed it. It's something you have.
Yes.
And you have
yes.
a very big factory too.
Yes, thank you. So how do you think our service?
Oh, with your service, I will say, oh, you are perfect.
Thank
The
you
way
so much. Thank you.
came to pick me at the train station,
Mm.
having time for me, bringing me straight to your factory itself shows that yes, really you really mean business. I know there are some people, you invite them, even picking them is a problem.
Yeah.
But you had time, especially you have 2 months baby or so, that you had time to come and pick me. So I really appreciate it for the kind of warm welcome that you're giving me.
Thank you. I really appreciate so for you come to our factory. So may I know what make you to make the deal with us? Choose us.
Well,
the reason.
one thing about me is that I will always want to see this is the factory.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
this is what they have. I've seen.
Yeah.
Once I see with my eye, it's a witness.
Yes.
So whichever money that I have to pay or transaction that I have to do, once I see, even if I don't have the money and I go back, I can transfer the money to you because I've seen your factory.
Yes.
You've shown me to your managers.
Yes.
Your engineer. I've seen your engineer, and I've seen your factory, the things that you have. So it shows that I can do business with you.
Yeah, you can see we are exactly factory.
Exactly. So it is trust in doing business with you.
Yes, yes. This is just our start.
Yeah.
Yes, I know in the future maybe you will make more business.
Oh, definitely in the future. That's a start for me. What I'm going to do back in Ghana, I'm going to start the business from the scratch.
Yes.
So I need to start from class 1, 2, 3, then I climb.
Yes.
So by the grace of God, definitely I'll come for the bigger machines.
Yes.
But I need to start with the small one.
Yes.
When it gets there, I'll come and then buy the big one. Even now, I don't even need to come again because I've seen your factory. So even if I want to do something, I can transfer the money and then you can deliver the goods.
Thank you for your trust. I believe we will have more cooperation in the future.
Sure, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.